So you wanna install Windows via Ubuntu? Cool. Let's get you set up. Easiest way is using the Startup Disk Creator plugin. Your flash drive 8 GB or larger. Maybe then. Open up the program and choose your Windows ISO. The program should automatically detect the flash drive. If not, wiggle it and choose the ISO file, then just click and wait. If you like a more hands-on approach, we got you terminal time. Fire up the terminal. You can search for terminal in apps. First thing, let's identify your USB drive. Careful here. Double check the drive location. It's often dev SDB, but it can be different. You can use a command called lsblk to see storage device names and their sizes to help identify it. Warning, double check and select the correct drive, or poof, your work will be lost. Now for the main command, sudo ddbs equals for if equals path to your ISO of equals dev SDB status equals progress o flag equals sync. Replace path to your ISO with where you saved it and dev SDB with that drive. This flashes the drive and can take a while. After that, you're good to go.